Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPhone, and let me show you how to send Memoji along with voice message. So at first just open Messages, then click on Memoji icon, and now pick yours. Obviously you can create a new one if you wish, but just pick your Memoji. So if it's about this one, just bring your face into the view, and as you can see now, as it's see me, it is doing what I am doing. And if you would like to record this message with voice, just click on record. Hi guys, how are you?
Hi guys, how are you?
As you can see, it is active, and now you can smoothly send it. Click on send, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. So as you can see, it is received, and your contact will receive it this way.
Hi guys, how are you? Hi guys, how are you? Hi guys, how are you?
And that's it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.